video I'm going to be sharing with you how to do brown curly hair. So in the last video I shared with you how to do black curly hair, which is simple as far as the coloring. So if you didn't see that video, go back and check it out. And then I showed the different curl patterns and how to practice them. So in today's, we're going to elevate it a little bit more by doing multicolored brownish hair. The supplies I'll be using are my watercolors and my watercolor pens. And that will be the main supplies I'll be using for the hair. So one of the first steps to do is to get your colors, figure out what colors you want. And you want to have the darkest shade separate and then a medium shade. And to make the medium shade, I just took the dark shade and just added a little bit extra water. And then a lighter shade, I just added even more water. And then the lightest shade, I added this golden yellow color. And I added a little bit of brown in there so it can kind of feel cohesive. So we're going to map out our hair, what you've seen I've done here. And then I love using these water pens because for the hair, it's easier to just keep continually going. You don't have to stop and start if you had like a cup of water with a regular brush. So these are really cool to use, you guys. And if you don't have them, I ordered these from Amazon. So if you just have like a regular palette of watercolors, you can order these. And they have so many varieties in here. I think there's 12 of them. So that's it, you guys. So let's get started, and while we're working on our hair, we'll take some breaks and let it dry, and while we're doing that, I'll be working on her face too. So it's kind of cool to be able to do both, where you're working on the hair, then when it's drying, you're working on another part of your art journal. So let's see how this all turns out.